What's the meaning of acrimony? Acrimony. 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 Acrimony refers to bitterness, animosity or harsh feelings between people who have been engaged in a conflict for a period of time. It is a term typically used to describe situations where negative emotions between individuals have escalated over time, leading to a deep-seated and often long-lasting antagonism. The result of acrimony can be a breakdown in communication, an inability to collaborate, and a deterioration in relationships. It can also lead to increased stress and tension, which may further exacerbate the situation. Ultimately, acrimony can cause irreparable damage to personal and professional relationships, making it important to manage conflicts in a constructive way.